On your computer, open any browser and type meet.google.com and you directly jump into Google Meet website. In here, to create a Google Meet link, click on New Meeting, and here you can choose Create a Meeting for Later. You can choose Start an Instant Meeting, or you can schedule a Google Meet. So in my case, I'm selecting here Create a Meeting for Later. And here we can see the meeting link successfully created. Now all you have to need to copy this meeting link and send this to people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it later too. Now all you have to need when you want to start the meeting with the link, just go to your browser and paste the meeting link that you just created. And here we can see the meeting. All you have to need, click on join now.